Mumbai airport today. Going to fly Air India's business class all the way to Delhi. And today we'll be flying on Air India Boeing 787 Mumbai to Delhi.
There's a choice of vegetarian and non-vegetarian.
Clearly the interior looks a bit dated. The lack of the IFE on this aircraft, it's a blank screen. On this trip I'm flying the Dreamliner all the way to Delhi. Follow me to watch various aircraft experiences. And today we'll be flying on Air India Boeing 787 Mumbai to Delhi in business class. So let's do this, let's go to the gate.
Here's the layout. My seat for today was 3 Juliet, which was also the last row of the small business class cabin with a total of 18 seats in a 2-2-2 configuration. They are comfortable enough and have loads of legroom, but certainly are not winning any rewards. All the measurements of the seat were below average except for the bed length, which I found to be extraordinary because it was super spacious.
Would you like some buttermilk or pomegranate?
I'll have the buttermilk, please.
Certainly. How would you say?
So guys, welcome on board Air India 787 Dreamliner. So this is what the business class looks like. So in overview, it is a 2-2-2 configuration with 3 rows. So it looks the same as before. So the cabin looks very modern actually, and clearly the interior looks a bit dated as well. But apart from that, so the legroom is incredible for this aircraft, and my IFE screen doesn't seem to work right now, but let's see what happens after departure on that one. So the tray table can be found stored here beneath the center armrest, which is really hard to pull out actually. And at back over here, underneath you can find the IFE remote along with the bottle holder, and behind that is the universal power outlet. And beneath the ottoman is another storage compartment where there's a blanket kept, and the left of that, towards the left, is the in-flight magazine, the safety guard, and the air signal acting like a seat pocket. And between both the IFEs are coat hooks and also the little compartments where the headphones kept. And the seats obviously go fully flat, and there is also an audio port right here, and also the seat offers a good recline as well. And here are the seat controls.
The menu offered one choice for the appetizer along with a single choice for dessert, and for the entree there were 3 choices, 2 veg and 1 non-veg, along with cold and hot beverages. tray table was very hard to pull out and was also very hard to adjust. A few minutes after, my meal arrived, so I went for the paneer palak tikki, which was served with samosa and chole. Along with this entree, we were served some ketchup. For dessert, we had blueberry cheesecake with berry compote. For the appetizer, we had kaju chana berry chaat along with an apple juice as a beverage. The catering on this flight was very delicious. The business class lavatories are similar to the economy class lavatories. There were no amenities provided in the lavatories, but they were clean.
If you wish to use a lavatory, for lavatory
You serve meals in economy as well?
Yes, we do. There's a choice of vegetarian and non-vegetarian.
So which one is the veg option?
This is the vegetarian option. It's a wrap, paneer wrap. And this is a non-vegetarian option. It's with chicken tikka with the noodles.
So now initiating our descent into Delhi. So there's only one problem, it's the lack of the IFE on this aircraft. So it's a blank screen. And fun fact, Mumbai to Delhi is the world's third busiest route. Yes, you heard me correct, because there's a huge variety of airlines and aircraft to choose from, such as Air India, Vistara, Indigo, SpiceJet, Akasa Air India Express. I don't think if I left out any more. So and it gives you a choice of various aircraft to fly with from Mumbai to Delhi. So maybe this is a good tip for you if you're flying from Mumbai to Delhi.
Today's journey was a lot of fun, not only because it was on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, but also because of the incredible catering and the lovely crew on board who was so kind and enthusiastic. In conclusion, Air India is going through transition, and after refurbishment, the small drawbacks such as the lack of the IFE and other small issues will be gone. Nonetheless, it was a very interesting experience. I plan on taking more flights with Air India in the near future, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching today.